Today I will show you how to fix your files not opening for whatever reason it could be. Let's say you try to install mods or run jar files for Minecraft, like a mod loader or server tools, and they're not opening. I will show you how to fix this. If this video is working for you, please subscribe and like the video. We will go to your browser and we search Java download. And we click here, download Java. And now we will click download Java for desktop right here. And we will get one right here. Open file. It will come up if you want to allow this app, and we click yes. And here we click install. So now, after we have downloaded this, we can just close this one, and we will write your fix here. And we will go here to this one, and click download. And when we're here, we click here, free download for Windows. And then ad will pop up here. We will click here, no thanks, I will continue downloading your fix. And then we just click free download for PC again. And it starts to download. Now we click open file and another do you want to allow this app will come up and we click yes. So after clicking OK there, Yarfix actually links Java Edition and Yarfix together and fixes the problems. So now when we opening or try to install the mods, it should work. But let's say you still have problems with opening your files. Restart your computer and open Yarfix again. And this should solve all your problems from now on. And you can download mod loaders, server tools, and so on. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Have a good day. Bye.